Hello everyone and welcome to our Japanese Mini Talk channel. In our video today, we'll be looking at the best maintenance practices for Japanese mini trucks. Every vehicle or machine out there needs to be well maintained, failure to which it will not last long. It may also start functioning with less efficiency. This is the very reason why many people always do regular servicing and maintenance of their vehicles. There are many things that needs to be attended to when doing maintenance and servicing. In this guide, we will go through some of the maintenance practices for Japanese mini trucks. These practices should help you squeeze out the best from your Japanese mini truck. Otherwise, the performance would be poor and not be as efficient as you may want it to be. The top maintenance practices for Japanese mini trucks. Here are some of the best maintenance practices for Japanese mini trucks, which will ensure the vehicle goes a long way, guaranteeing you good quality services. Number 1. Maintain the clutch system. When you're handling a manual vehicle, then the clutch is among the most important parts to keep in mind. The clutch is responsible for allowing the switching of gears. Without its proper functioning, then you may not be able to switch between one gear to another. One would need to make adjustments regularly to avoid the grinding of gears and other similar issues that may result from poor functioning of the clutch. The second thing is to always replace the tires regularly. The tires play a crucial role in the maneuverability of the vehicle. However, one needs to keep in mind that the threading of the tires wears out with time. When they wear out, they can pose some danger since the grip and traction is reduced. And when this happens, you can find that the vehicle can slide away easily. To avoid this, make sure to keep an eye on the tires and replace them when they start to wear out. Thirdly, you need to check on the braking system regularly. No driver needs to be told how much the braking system of a vehicle is crucial. This is one of the most sensitive parts of a vehicle that needs a lot of attention. It can be the factor that determines how safe the users of the vehicle are. Every part of the braking system, from the brake pads to the hydraulic, needs to be kept in perfect condition for one to see the good results from it. Lastly, you need to keep the vehicle clean. As much as it may sound like something so simple that one can simply ignore, there are a lot of benefits of washing your vehicle regularly. This is especially if you use the vehicle on rugged roads where it can easily attract dirt and mud. Such could bring about rust, which corrodes the vehicle and make the body to start to wear out. That said, you need to make sure that your vehicle is thoroughly cleaned with the right detergents. Painting the vehicle regularly will also ensure that the car is always free of rust, and this way, it will go a long way. To conclude, there are many things that one can do to get the best from their vehicle. However, the simplest ones are the ones that usually bring the biggest impact. Shared in this video are some of the best maintenance and servicing practices for Japanese mini trucks. They are simple, yet very important. And this brings us to the end of our video today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in our next video.